Andrea Sachs.
That's all.
Oh, girl. Why? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're on this moving journey, and if you can see behind me, I've only got one of these now. One of this is going. This other one is going in like 2 days, so that'll be gone as well. And if you can see over here, a lot of my flower wall is starting to come down as well. So let me give you a view. So that's where the flower wall normally is. That's where I normally film, like over there. And I normally had a wardrobe over here and over here as well. So yeah, my wall, flower wall's coming down. And over this side, so behind me here, I have my bed and this wall. And oops, what I'm thinking about doing is maybe today, I'm not sure, maybe today, is moving my bed onto this wall and then using the wallpaper on here as a background for filming, because I'm still going to be here for probably another like 2 weeks or 3 weeks or so. So maybe something like this, I'm not sure. I do have a, I think this is from Sainsbury's. It's a clothes rail in silver. So we need to build this and put that up so I have somewhere to put all my clothes. So this is what we're going to make now. So I got it built. Look at this. Woo! So much better. So now I will finally have somewhere to put my clothes. I only have a few items of clothing. Miranda Priestley, Andrea Sachs, welcome to Runway. This is a fashion magazine. Today is the day that we take down the wall. It is not known when it shall return. Hopefully soon though. But this box is now full, and look at the wall. Think I like DIY much? Look at the graveyard of nails. I have to take all these out and hope my dad doesn't notice, because he will go crazy. Although I guess he knew what I was doing. He probably won't, but still. Whoops! So just got to pull these out like this.